Let's take a look at the time lapse over Montesano today. Clouds streaming in from the west ahead of our next weather maker that will be arriving by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. But it was a dry and very comfortable Thursday. We are looking at mostly cloudy skies, but dry conditions over Huntsville this evening. 58 degrees our current temperature, completely calm winds. Dew points are beginning to rise up to the upper 40s. It's still rather dry air for this time of the year, but it is a sign of a trend. We are going to see those rising dew points, rising humidity, giving us a better chance at rain by tomorrow morning. Overnight lows will be in the mid-50s, not nearly as cold as the past several nights. You are looking at mid to upper 50s when you step outside tomorrow morning, and increasing chances for rain as we move through the morning. I think for Huntsville, the best chance of rain will be late morning through the first half of the afternoon. Scattered showers and storms across the southern plains this evening. That remnant moisture is going to be heading our way late tonight. In fact, it's already reached Memphis this evening and parts of northern Mississippi, but it's running into a wall of dry air still in place in North Alabama right now. It's eventually going to overcome that, but it's going to take a little bit. So as I show you future radar, yes, we could see a few showers overnight, mainly in northwest Alabama, but not the consistent rain that we will eventually see after sunrise tomorrow morning. Best chance at wet weather during the morning drive is going to be around the Shoals over to Decatur, mainly west of I-65. As we move through the morning into lunchtime, that's when we'll have the better chance of rain near Huntsville down towards Sand Mountain. That likely sticks around for the first half of the afternoon. This cluster of rain then gradually clears to the east as we get to dinner time into Friday evening. So Friday evening, probably our best chance to see dry weather. If you have plans out in the town, there is hope that we will be dry during that time. It will be cloudy and cool at that point, though. Friday night, we're watching out for the potential of redeveloping showers and potentially a couple of strong storms. That is not guaranteed to happen, but if it does, large hail will be a possibility. And with that threat in place, we do have a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather across most of the Tennessee Valley. Again, large hail up to quarter size is a possibility if those storms come to fruition. Likely not going to see anything widespread with severe weather, but again, it's something to watch for as we head into Friday night. As for the weekend, sporadic storm chances, nothing consistent, but something we'll be watching is the chance at a few developing storms here and there throughout the weekend. That trend continues into next week. Basically, we're going to get into a summer-like pattern where we get the daily thunderstorm threat mainly during the daylight hours. Most of those storms clear out as we head into the overnight hours. We are going to be trending warmer, more humid as well, with highs close to 80 on Saturday, well into the 80s on Sunday, mid-80s expected across the region at that point. That trend of warmth is here to stay next week with a stretch of 80s peaking at 87 degrees next Wednesday as well as next Thursday.